AI for rural India, bridging the digital divide. Imagine a farmer diagnosing crop diseases using just a mobile app, or a child in a remote village learning from global education resources. This is no longer a dream but a growing reality, thanks to artificial intelligence, AI. Let's explore how AI is reshaping rural India. Over 65% of Indians live in rural areas, yet access to essential digital tools and resources remains limited. This gap impacts education, healthcare, and economic opportunities. However, with localized AI solutions, rural communities are now beginning to overcome these constraints, fueling hope of a more inclusive future. AI-driven platforms like Khan Academy are customizing education for rural students. By using regional languages and analyzing individual learning speeds, these tools adapt to every student's needs. Even where schools are scarce, AI-powered digital classrooms ensure no child is left behind. Teachers and students are accessing resources like AI chatbots for instant doubt resolution, bridging learning gaps faster than ever before. This means rural youth can now dream as big as their urban counterparts. In villages with neither doctors nor clinics, AI steps in as a lifesaver. Tools like AI-powered diagnostic platforms enable early disease detection through mobile health apps. Telemedicine connects patients in remote areas to urban doctors, ensuring timely advice. Real stories from health workers highlight how AI saves lives by providing instant, reliable healthcare solutions. No matter where you are, technology is now within arm's reach. Agriculture is not just a way of life for rural India, it's an identity and a necessity. AI tools are transforming farming processes, mobile apps allow farmers to detect crop diseases, drones optimize pesticide spraying, and weather prediction models empower better crop planning. These innovations make farming more efficient, climate resilient, and profitable. Farmers using AI solutions like Kisan Suvidha can boost both yield and income, ensuring prosperity even in challenging times. The days of rural India relying solely on cash are fading as AI-powered fintech solutions expand financial access. Tools supporting voice-based banking and digital payment networks are enabling even non-literate users to engage in online banking. Microloans, approved through AI-based alternative credit systems, empower rural entrepreneurs. Small shop owners and farmers share how easy AI makes everyday transactions, opening the door to financial empowerment for millions. The potential for AI in rural India is immense. From healthcare and education to agriculture and entrepreneurship, the possibilities are growing rapidly. Despite challenges like inconsistent internet access, initiatives like Digital India and startups focusing on rural solutions are making steady strides. With collective efforts, these advancements could truly bridge the urban-rural divide and ensure equal opportunities for all Indians, regardless of geography. Innovation brings power, but it also demands action. Embrace AI to create opportunities in your community. Share this video to spread awareness. Equip yourself and your neighbors with digital tools, and together, let's pave the way for a connected, thriving rural India. The future starts today, let's shape it together.